How you hanging in there? Getting enough sleep? Relationships harmonious and in sync? Are your stress levels low? Are you happy with your job? Is your weight where you'd like it? Are you feeling good? Physically, mentally, and emotionally? Look, I get it. There's a lot going on energetically now, and it's pushing everyone's buttons. And change can be so hard. Our whole identity could be wrapped up in the very thing that's driving us crazy. But it's also hard to hold on to something that just doesn't fit anymore. Like those old blue jeans, let them go. Are you aware that quantum healing hypnosis technique and beyond quantum healing can help you get clarity by getting to the source of all that ails you so that you can let it all go once and for all? How? By unlocking the repressed emotions trapped inside your subconscious mind and body from any traumatic past lives and your childhood in this life. You don't even need to believe in past lives to get the full benefit. Does it seem too weird? Too much like spooky mind control? Or maybe you're concerned you won't be able to do it right, that you can't visualize or be hypnotized. Hey everyone, welcome back to Day Trips Out of the Box, where we break free from the conditioned mind to realize the original purpose we had in coming to planet Earth. I'm Andrea, a past life regression hypnotherapist, and I'm excited to announce we'll be holding our very first live streaming series on my YouTube channel to help alleviate any concerns or myths that you may have about QHHD or BQH. This will be a light 3-day hypnosis series based upon Dolores Cannon's QHHD workshop. On day 1, you'll be guided into a past life on Earth or maybe somewhere else. Day 2, you'll be guided to meet your spiritual guide or guardian angel and receive a special message that they have for you that can help you right now. In day 3, you'll travel to a future life, 100, 200, or 300 years from now. Each day is a separate workshop independent of the others, and you don't have to register. Just show up. The links for each day are in the description box. For each 45-minute workshop, you'll get a chance to learn more about quantum hypnosis and the typical issues and benefits a full 5-hour session in direct contact with your higher self can address for you right now. You'll experience how easy it is to ease into a light state of hypnosis and how relaxing that can feel knowing that you're safe and always in full control. You'll get to practice visualization techniques and discover how very simple and easy that is. And you'll receive some very real answers and clarity to any questions that you may have coming into the workshop. Then if you want, we can share our experiences and finally do a quick Q&A. And at the end, I'll be presenting a special offer. All you'll need is an open mind, a question or two that you may have about what's going on in your life now, a quiet place to relax where it's safe to close your eyes, and a pad of paper and pen to write down what you experience. That's it. Here are the dates and times for all 3 events. Again, look for the YouTube links to each of the events in the description box below. So tell your friends to come, and we'll see you at the next episode of Day Trips Out of the Box.